Hello, welcome to the Cloud Wars Minute, where the deal is if you give us a few minutes, we'll give you some unique insights into the greatest growth market the world has ever known. Aaron back here, filling in for Bob Evans with some fascinating news from number 10 on the Cloud Wars Top 10, IBM. And with many of the Cloud Wars Top 10 investing heavily in industry cloud solutions, IBM is no exceptions, and they're looking to disrupt the financial services industry with a recently announced real-time artificial intelligence solution. Now, not to get too technical here, but this solution uses an integrated on-chip AI accelerator, which is built into IBM's modern mainframe and is central to its hybrid cloud environments. Now, the goal here is to scale their deep learning models for the prevention and detection of fraud during transactions. However, they're wanting to do this on a massive scale. What we're talking about is 300 billion requests per day with 1 millisecond of latency. Quite astounding there, but what does this mean for you? Well, first, IBM is pushing hard to keep up with the other top cloud players. I mean, as I mentioned, they're number 10 on the Cloud Wars Top 10. And they're doing this by putting a focus on a big enterprise need, which is hybrid clouds. And according to IBM, they spent the last 3 years making significant investments here in service of its commitment to embrace open source technologies. Second, IBM is focusing on cybersecurity here as part of this announcement, this real-time AI announcement, to secure the data. And this is what they're referring to as the industry's first quantum safe system. And to harden that security posture that they're taking, they're using, again, what they're calling quantum safe cryptography. And this is to help customers obviously fight the ever-increasing cyber threats, preserve intellectual property, and sensitive data. Well, the bottom line here is IBM is deeply invested in the cloud future, enough to revamp its infrastructure while still targeting industry-specific needs. Now, this is bolstering the point that Bob Evans just emphasized just a few days ago about IBM's massive overhaul of its entire business in light of its cloud revenue growth of 18%. And then what he was predicting is a push to 20% growth here. And of course, this is badly needed in their efforts, again, to move up the ranks, hopefully, in the cloud wars. Time will tell. Well, that's all for me for this Cloud Wars Minute. I hope to see you at the upcoming Cloud Wars Expo. Bookmark your calendar, register to attend. And thank you to Bob Evans for allowing me to fill in his shoes. Thanks again for tuning in.